Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 4 best cold air intakes for F150 Ecoboost that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the K&N Cold Air Intake brand kit. The K&N Cold Air Intake Kit is specifically designed for those who want the best performance features from their truck engine. This durable kit can boost the performance level of the truck to facilitate hauling, towing, and climbing steep slopes with ease. The kit virtually eliminates air path restriction by replacing the entire air path to the engine. The brand K&N is a world leader in manufacturing high-quality performance cold air intake systems for both cars and trucks. The K&N Cold Air Intake Kit, being a sequel of its products, is designed to increase engine horsepower by providing better engine airflow. Second on the list is the AEM 21812DC Cold Air Intake System. The AEM 21812DC Cold Air Intake System provides another excellent way to make your intake system run cool whilst increasing the vehicle's performance. The kit boosts the engine's horsepower and torque by typically replacing your truck's factory-made restrictive air filter and air intake housing. The kit's air intake system is designed, tuned, and dyno tested to fit the F150 Ecoboost engine models. Air enters the filter through an oversized AEM dry flow washable filter that provides outstanding air filtration and performance for up to 100,000 miles. The filter is positioned within the original airbox and is protected by a heat shield, designed to reduce the inflowing air temperatures as it increases the horsepower. Next is the Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit. The Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit is a cold air intake system from a popular brand that provides unmatched horsepower and torque. The kit features a red washable air filter that can be reused, polished aluminum air intake tubing, and black powder finished heat shield that prevents the hot engine from warming the cold air passing through the air intake inlet to the engine. Unlike most models, the air intake system is positioned on the driver's side of the engine. Last up is the AFE Power 5432-642 Magnum Force Performance Intake System. The AFE Power 5432-642 Magnum Force Performance Intake System is a great cold air intake for F150 Ecoboost if you want to increase your truck's intake by more than 60%. The kit comes with a unique design that adds approximately 21 HP and torque. Most people like this system for its unique design and superior performance. It comes with a one-piece sealed housing that eliminates multiple housing construction. The incredible design also ensures cool air intake for superior performance. At the inlet, it has 5 layers of oiled cotton media that collaborate to provide maximum filtration of inflowing air. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.